Have fun.
Hey, no, that's a good guess.
Have fun.
No, that's a good guess.
How far? How are you? Good.
Shwmae.
Today we're testing our students' Welsh.
Can they guess what these words mean?
Let's find out. How good's your Welsh?
Really bad.
Yeah, absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
Don't know anything at all.
It's not great.
Quite good, I'd say I'm fluent. So.
Okay, I like your confidence. Does diolch mean? Home? Home? Okay. Interesting guess.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next one is Borada. Goodbye.
Yeah. I feel like I've heard that one.
got hot.
Yeah, goodbye.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Your Welsh is better than what you think.
Good morning.
Prynhawn da.
Good day.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Right, what about this one?
Shwmae.
So you what, mate, or something?
Hello.
How are you? Yeah.
He's on the money. How are you?
Boom.
Good night.
Good night.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
well done,
I'd say your Welsh is pretty good.
What about this one?
Hardest one for last. Can you pronounce it?
Osgwelnich Yda.
Hey, you went far off. You went far off.
Please.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yes, well done.